Hello everyone, my name is Chidimma. Today we've got some exciting topic for you if you're looking to delve into the world of website design and development. We are going to be discussing the essential skills you need to become a professional website designer and developer. Whether you are a beginner or looking to level up your skills, stick around because we have got some valuable insights to share. First up, let us talk about the front-end web design and development. This is where the magic happens on the user's side. To become a professional, you need to master the HTML for structuring your web content, CSS for styling it, and JavaScript for adding interactivity. Next up is the back-end web design. This is where you handle the server side of things. To excel in this area, you will need to learn a programming language like Python, Ruby, or Node.js. You will also need to grasp concepts like databases and service management. Back-end development ensures that your website runs smoothly and securely. Now, let us talk about the full-stack web design. Being a full-stack developer means you're comfortable with both the front end and the back end. In conclusion, the front end, back end, and the full stack are the essential skills you need to become a professional web designer. Whether you're passionate about front end, tackling with the back end challenges, aiming to become a full stack wizard, or leveling up with frameworks and libraries, the web development world is yours to take. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and be sure to follow us on all our social media platforms for behind the scene updates and insights. Thank you for tuning in today, and remember, the web is your canvas, so keep on creating amazing experiences, and I cannot wait to have you in class.